Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm in Langkawi, still in Malaysia, but I'm in a different area. I think last time you saw me I was in Kuala Lumpur. Progressed a bit since then, made our way around the country. Today I'm going to go on the cable car in Langkawi. It's like the highest cable car in the world, and it goes up to like a mountain here, and there's a sky bridge up there. Should be pretty cool. I'm going to get some food quick and then hop on the bike, drive over to the cable car, and hopefully it's a good day. Oh mate, I just got this apple juice. So good. Like, it's literally just like green apples, like just tastes so fresh. Got some pasta. Just like bolognese basically. I need to give my stomach a bit of a rest. Too much spices and like local food. I mean, I love it. I've been loving the food scene here. A bit too much, if anything. I've just been eating so much, but it's really good. But then, I don't know, I think it's catching up with my stomach, man. Today I've not been too well. Keep it Western today, I think. Just bland food. It's not going to mess me up, you know. I think my stomach needs it. The only thing is it's just expensive, isn't it? I'm trying to keep within the budget, and the local food tastes better. It's bigger portions and it's cheaper, so it's like it makes sense for me to buy that, but sometimes your stomach's just too fucked. I think I've got to that point. I need a bit of bland Western food in my life again. Oh, that was good, man. Good little spag bowl. The classic, mate. Risky Reg special. Go to the cable cars. Alright chat, I've made it to the cable car. I get like entry into a museum as well, included with the ticket. It's like a 3D museum. I'm gonna go check out the museum and then we'll go on the cable car, man. It's cool, it goes like really high. It's probably quite scary, but I'm excited, bro. Very excited. This is what we're going on. Hopefully we see one of those. Yeah, it's a cool little place as well. Like this, it's a little village it's located in. Not a village, but it's like you know, little shops and stuff. It's nice. Do you know what I feel like when I make these vlogs now? When I'm pointing the GoPro at my face and walking. You know them videos you see, like the AI videos of like Bigfoot making vlogs and like AI vlogs. That's what I feel like, man. Yeah, chat. 3D art, Langkawi. Turtle. Museum. Some cool art. Apple. Nice. We've got Albert Einstein doing some science stuff. Circles. I have left. I'm gonna go on the sky cab. That was cool though, very cool. But I want to have a decent amount of time on the sky bridge, you know, not just quick rush. So hopefully I'll still have like a good hour and a half, I think, I hope. Got the whole thing for myself, boys. It's fucking sweet. Oh my god, this is kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, it's nice. This is sick, mate. It's gone a bit cloudy though, that's the only thing that's a bit annoying, but it's okay. So the windows are shit in this one. Oh look here, this is better. I think it would be scary, but it's actually really peaceful and nice. That's the waterfall. It's very high. You go high up. Okay. See the sea? We made it. It's a bit cloudy, but it's okay. Still nice. Let's go up to that thing. The eagle's nest. Man, you can see everything from up here. I mean, imagine if it weren't so cloudy. Wow, the views up here would be insane. I mean, it still is, but it is quite cloudy. Look how steep that goes though. It's quite like it's crazy, man. Crazy thing. So I didn't realise that the bridge is over there, so you get back on and you go even further. That's sick. Let's go check out this eagle's nest thing. Apparently I'm not allowed to go on that one, even though I swear the guy said the ticket I bought had everything included. I don't know. I mean, I can see it from here pretty nice, so I'm quite happy to just chill here. It's okay, you know. Taking some cool pictures, videos and stuff. Yeah, let's go to the sky bridge. Look, doing me old, getting me angles and that, chavvy. Come on, me chavvy, get up, son. Monkeys. These are the naughty monkeys, man. Yeah, he looks like a little fucker. Stay away from me, cheeky cunt. Yeah, I want to go over there, mate. To the sky bridge. Look at that. Sick. So you go up, and then you have to go down to get to the bridge. We've made it. Wow, look at that. Sky bridge. Pretty high, 650 meters above sea level. To put it into perspective, like this is high, but you remember the mountain I did in Lombok? That was like 6 times the height of this, I believe. That was like 3,800 or something, so over 6 times, if I'm correct. It's crazy. Crazy to think I was that high up, and then Everest is double that. It's insane. Just chilling on the top of a mountain, on a bridge, on a mountain. Oh, the breeze up here is so good, man, so good. Just looking at that. It's just amazing. It's crazy, you know. Like to think, like how imagine building that, like being on there. It's fucking wild. So cool. Really cool. I don't know what's going on here, Mesh. Bloody dance. I think they're making a TikTok, man. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. They were really nice, man. Those Indian people. Very friendly. It's cool. They're doing their little TikTok. It's nice. I'm gonna... Oh. Sick. Mate, that picture's pretty sick, man. I just cropped these two fuckers out. Get out. Get them out and it's gonna be bloody masterpiece. It's a cool picture. Oh, I'm happy with my chavvy. I like it up here. It's nice. Nice gaff. Cheeky little slash. Don't mind if I do mush. I reckon it's gonna start pissing it down. That'll be fun, going down the cable car in the rain. Mate, this spot is crazy. So cool. Wow. One last look at it, ladies and gents. She's a beauty. That's a bit fucking weird, but yeah, no, it's nice, man. It's very nice. I think I'm gonna go back down now because I'm hungry and tired and thirsty. It's very cool, very nice. I reckon going down is gonna be fun, so let's go. We're getting this one though. Look at that. You get a good view though. No foggy windows. But the windows aren't very clear on these ones. Oh. It is. It's like a ride, you know, like a roller coaster or something. It just seems a bit dodgy. Like, how can these things be so safe? But I guess they are. I hope. It's a smooth ride.
Welcome aboard the Langkawi Sky Cab, where every journey is a gateway to the wonders of our planet's geological heritage. As you soar above Langkawi's pristine landscapes, we invite
Mate, they've got a fucking camel. They're so random. Why is there a camel? Do you get camels in Asia? I didn't think that was a thing. Look, it's a camel. I'm gonna head back now to my gaff. We're just gonna chill for tonight. Like literally, just might get a grab, like get some food on grab. We'll go out and get a little takeaway and just eat it at the hostel. I'm knackered, but I'll carry on the vlog tomorrow, see what I get up to. Probably just go gym and beach, but we'll see. See what happens. But yeah, that was nice, man. Sky cab. I liked it. Alright, boys and girls, it's another day. Still in Langkawi. Today I'm going to do a jet ski tour. It's like a 4-hour tour on jet skis, going to like loads of different islands and stuff. So hopefully get some good jet ski footage, but we'll see. I don't know if this is the guy here. I'm not sure. I'm just waiting for someone to come pick me up. Well, hopefully they come soon. He's getting it off for me. Never actually rode one of these things before, man, but how hard can it be? Yep. Yep. Keep it. Okay, thank you. this thing. Bloody cruising, boys and girls. Unfortunately, it's a bit too choppy for me to put the GoPro on my head. It's just going to fly off when I'm going full speed, so I'll try and capture what footage I can. Look at this. Beautiful. Lovely stuff. Made a little stop off Forest Park. Apparently it's the largest freshwater lake, but where? In Langkawi, in the world? Oh. I don't know. It's meant to be nice though, you can swim and stuff, so we'll check it out. This looks amazing. It's beautiful. Wow, look at this, man. This is insane. No, this is better than I thought it would be. I thought this might be a bit shit. This is sick. A lot of people didn't want to pay to get in, which I understand, to be honest. If you're travelling, I was thinking about it myself. But this is stunning, man. I'm glad I came here. Let's go for a dip, Chavi. Fucking get in there, son. Glorious. Let's get in here, boys and girls. It's nice, man. Ooh, I feel like I'm burning, chat. I don't know. Not burning, but I'm worried I'm going to turn into Lobster Ben. If you know about Lobster Ben, you know, you know. You know? This is nice, mush. Not bad, me chavvy. My old fridge freezer. I mean, look where we're at, boys. Bloody beautiful. Beautiful. Just fucking chilling. Heading back to the jet skis now. I think it's been like 45 minutes. I don't know, everyone else from my group's gone back, so I probably should follow. Back on the skis. Hopefully I'll try and get some footage without losing my GoPro. We'll see. I mean, this is a floating handle, so if worst comes to worst I'll just go back and get it. But hopefully it don't fall off at all. We're gonna go, boys. We're gonna give it some fucking welly shot. Spot, boys and girls. The GoPro's nearly dead, so I won't be able to get this whole trip, but I'll try. That was so fun though, so fun. Right, well apparently everyone else is only booked to do 3 hours, but I'm doing 4 hours, and it's literally just me. So it's just me and this dude. So that's pretty cool, you know, ain't got loads of people, just going for a cruise. Yeah, it's fun, it's a fun experience, I really enjoyed this. Just me and this dude, man. Just me and him. Yeah. Left them suckers Just behind, you get me? Back at the hostel, showered, feeling fresh. I'm in the same position I was at the start of the day actually, sitting in. But yeah, that was so fun, mate, so fun. If you're coming to Langkawi, do the jet ski tour, island tour. It's so good. Best way to go about and see the place. It was amazing. It was really, really fun. Guy I was with at the end here, it was just me and him. He was a legend, man. Like, he's just really good. Let me drive his jet ski because it was a bit quicker and like a better one, you know. He let me have a play around on it, so he was a good guy. Highly recommend doing this if you come to Langkawi. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm editing it now actually, so it might even come out on the same day that I filmed it, which is unheard of from me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Sweet.